Geza has been very clear. It's up to us Zimbabweans to act. Sana vina mashoko ari Mnangagwa nemwe political commentator pamusoro pa Bombshell Geza chiti aiwa Geza nawo yake iri very clear and the people are aware. Akauya akakupa an insight zvinhu zvamamusingazivi, but now it is your own decision. Salary munyika yeZimbabwe. Sana vina mashoko anobuda chitsanangura sekuona kwake ndobva subscribe or like on the bell kuti panapa ubuda nyogwa muchinzi by Howard Nyoni. I'm here to speak about those who are saying Geza's popularity has dropped. These numbers have collapsed. To think that what we as a people must do is somehow Geza's fault is very unfair. What I am saying is the energy has not been lost. It's us, the people of Zimbabwe, who are apathetic. We are not taking our position. I've heard some contributors saying the strategy is not even clear. On the other hand, some people say there must be secrecy because whenever Geza says something, the enemy prepares for him and comes to attack. So now surely, what do we expect Geza to do? If he opens up and tell us what to do, we don't act. And then the strategy is out in the open. But if something is being planned in secrecy, behind a veil, we say, and they are not talking, they are not communicating. So how do you expect to succeed? And how do you expect Geza to be successful? I heard a lady saying, Indo Kageza, do you know what that means? Are we saying this struggle belongs to one person? That his alone must be the savior? No, this issue concerns all of us. If, for example, Geza says stay at home and we all actually do it, say for 2 days, what would happen? The world would see that something is happening, that there is energy. But Geza issues a statement, stay indoors, we don't obey. He says let's march, we don't go. And then at the end we blame him. So who is supposed to be the solution, Geza or us, Zimbabweans collectively? Then there is the issue of strategy. We heard Geza speaking about impeachment. Some people said no, he should not have announced that. But if he had stayed quiet, we would ask, why is he quiet? Why is his team silent? So again, what do you expect from Geza to do? That is my analysis for now. Thomas Kwameda Tsanangurwa, aiwa na Howard Nyoni. Pamusoro aiwa pa Bombshell Geza nema views ake ne mataklero anoita his issues. I don't know, people they are blaming him, but he achita the best out of his capacity. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutu pamusoro pichitwa china comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.